The most surprising things adjusters actually find in homes. This is Daniel the Adjuster, and I'm here to help you become the best adjuster. As an adjuster, you think you've seen it all until you walk into a house during a claim. And I'm not talking about crazy animals or wild stories. I mean real situations that completely change a claim. Here are the top 4 things that adjusters actually find in homes that homeowners never expect. Number 4, hidden old damage the homeowner didn't know about. One of the most common things I find is old damage that the homeowner genuinely didn't realize was there. Old roof leaks, past plumbing issues, or previous repairs that were never finished. I'll be inspecting a new water claim, and I'll find staining behind baseboards, mismatched paint, or a prior patch job. Not because anyone is lying, but because the home's been through things before. This impacts coverage every day, and most homeowners are shocked when I show them these differences. Number 3, non-code electrical or plumbing issues from prior owners. You'd be amazed how many homes have non-permitted, do-it-yourself work from years ago. I'll inspect a fire claim and I'll see aluminum wire mixed with copper wire, or a burst pipe claim that was repaired with the wrong type of fitting. It doesn't matter who did it, but that old work becomes a huge factor in what the carrier can or can't pay for. And homeowners usually tell me, I have no idea that it was even done that way, which is probably correct. Number 2, unreported claims that show up during the inspection. This is a very realistic one. I'll open up a loss history report, and the home has prior claims the current owner didn't know anything about. Maybe the last owner patched the roof or repaired drywall quietly. But when I inspect, I can literally see where the previous owner had repaired the damage, but it was different texture, different materials, newer shingles than the roof originally had. It's not fraud, it's just what happens when you buy a house with a long history. And the number 1 reason is the actual cause of loss does not match the reported story. This one, unfortunately, is super common, and it's not usually intentional. People report what they think happened. I get a call saying, hey, I got wind damage on my roof, and I'll go out and take a look at the roof, and there's granules missing, the shingle's 20 years old, and there's not a single creased shingle or lifted shingle on the roof. It's just wear and tear. It's not wind damage. Or a homeowner thinks the pipe suddenly burst, but the inspection shows slow seepage that has been happening for months and maybe years. Most homeowners aren't trying to mislead anyone. They just don't know what they're looking at. I had a funny one. This was under the kitchen cabinet, and the entire bottom of the cabinet was rotting. The insured said it just happened, though the evidence showed that it had been going on for several years. These are dilemmas that we run into all of the time. You don't want to call the insured a liar, but a lot of times the timing that they figured out is not really lining up with the timing of the damage. These are real things that adjusters find every single week. Nothing dramatic, just the kind of details that make or break a claim. We document everything, we put it in the file, but sometimes it's a little controversial. Well, if you want more real-world adjusting insights, or you just want tips for new adjusters, make sure you drop a comment, like and share the video, and I'll make a part 2. This is Daniel the Adjuster, helping you become the best adjuster.